Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of calibrating the WT11 device. Let's begin. Begin by opening the red cover using a suitable tool to access the calibration interface. To enter calibration mode, press both Enter and Up buttons at the same time for approximately 3 seconds. The display will show Info. Now press the Down button. The display will show Setup. Press Enter button to access the calibration menu. You will see Caliber appear on the display. Press the Enter button again to adjust the resolution settings. The display will show Resolution. Now, press the Down button and you will see Cal type appear on the screen. Press the Enter button so that the display shows Dead W. This indicates dead weight mode is selected. Press the Enter button to perform 0 and full-scale calibration. Make sure the scale is completely unloaded. Then, press and hold the Down button until the value is zeroed. Press and hold the Enter to exit to Caliber menu. The word Save appears on screen. Press Enter again to display resolution. Press Down to display calibration type. Press Enter to display dead weight. Once you select the dead weight by pressing the Enter button, you can perform the full-scale calibration procedure. The display shows a weight value. Press Up button and set the correct weight value by pressing the Up and Down button to set the digit. Press Enter to move to next digit. For example, set value as 60,000. Press and hold the Enter button for 2 seconds. The display will confirm with Save. Press and hold Enter for 2 seconds. The display will show Caliber. Press and hold the Up button. The display will show Store. To save the data, press and hold Enter button for 2 seconds. The display will show Setup. Press and hold the Up button once more to finalize the process and return to weighing mode. Your WT11 device is now successfully calibrated and ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy calibrating!